Where that gun at? Where that gun at?
Ops love the trigger bust, cold hearted when it's dealt. We already got black on black problem, but they don't give a fuck. They plot, then they zip.
What's going on, YouTube? Back again with another video here. Listen, got it done today. You feel me? Got it done today. You know what I'm saying? They finishing up the final touches right now. Okay. Okay. He don't even hear me. Look. He don't even hear me. Okay. See this? Okay.
On me just to met my done.
Hey yo.
Gonna catch you over here and geek, man.
They seen you dancing and shit. I'm like, oh, you retarded. Caught him leg and I just tell him you finishing up the final touches and all that.
Oh yeah, you already, man. Check the kid out, man. Look at the work. Feel me?
Look at the work.
For itself.
Oh, cut him up so they can see it. Cut him up.
Cut him out. Cut him out. Cut him out. Fuck, baby.
Nigga almost burnt me. I gotta get away from that nigga.
It get hot back here.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna let him go. I ain't even gonna, yeah, we ain't even gonna do that, but let me come over here and show you the rest of it. Finally got this joint done. So if you ain't know what happened on the backstory, I posted a video like a couple days ago, so you can go check that out, cause I don't feel like repeating myself again. Little walk through.
There's your fence, Mizzy.
Mm-hmm.
Really? This motherfucker heavy.
The gate.
Yeah. This is heavy, bro.
How you that was just regular, right? You just push it down.
From the front, just lift up, back, pull down.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. And if you wanna put a lock on it, you can. You can put a lock on it from the front, right there. Okay. Nobody can open it.
Nah, I mean,
I'm just saying.
yeah, nigga, you know what I'm saying? I should be able to hear this. Or the dog should.
Mm-hmm. Bitch. You know I use the cord.
So this joint finally all the way around. All the way around this joint. So what I was thinking about was I could put we about to make an area right here where they could the dogs can just go to the bathroom in like one area over here, and then right there I think my cousin wanted one of them like little joints where you could lay in and this shit swing. He wanted to put it to the tree, and then you know, so you know, it's all coming together. I like the way it's looking so far, especially with the front. This was the most important part right here, because that was the biggest issue, so we getting that out the way. I'm not gonna lie, like it took a while, but like I'm glad we finally got the shit done. Like we ain't gotta worry about no hassle. We don't gotta worry about none of that extra shit, you feel me? Like the best contractors, man, they did it in a timely fashion. It wasn't expensive. It wasn't as expensive as the quotes that I usually got. So, you know, it was, I mean, I can't complain at all. It's the winter time. Nobody does fences in the winter time, like nobody. They even had to like, it's a good thing you knew somebody, because you know, like Home Depot, Home Depot, Lowe's, they don't have like, it's out of season. I called everybody, yo, out of season. So, you know, they looked out for that, for real. and I'm happy getting it done. That shit stink. Got these little clamps. Anybody need to learn how to do that? Any like concrete on the post, you gonna have to use them clamps right here. These joints not moving. But you already know. They finally wrapping it up now. So I'm glad, man. Listen, we getting shit done in this crib, you heard? I'm trying to finish. Okay. Talk. Damn, we only left for a couple minutes. We only left for a couple minutes. You knocking him out like that? Oh, all right, knocking him out like that?
He gotta go.
He gotta go. All right, so don't work.
Fucking up the flow now.
He's funny as hell. Yeah, you could. What's the name? Like you said, this nigga, like, it really didn't like screw it because it's. Can y'all screw these? Like, what a gun at? Let me shoot the gun in there. Cause I could see it.
That whole side I popped in extra nails.
What, that's out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that shouldn't be too bad over here, but over here.
Over here?
Yeah, it needed over here.
Yeah, where the gun at? I gotta see it.
The gun is
I don't know. I don't, it'll work, right, if I just like shoot it?
Yeah, I got it.
Shoot the gun, nigga. You know what I mean? About to shoot the gun. See what's going on with this John. Fuck that. Where that gun at?
Huh?
Where that gun at? The gun.
Right there.
Huh?
Right there.
He using it?
No, he's not using it. There, right there.
You got the gun? Oh, he using it.
Oh, he's using it right now.
Big shit.
We'll be done in a second.
Die! That joint loud as hell. That joint loud, way.
You want this, you said?
Yeah, I need that to do the other side, cause the other side like leaning. It's like, cause remember I told you only did the top. So. What's going on? Ready to shoot something, you? What you talking about? How you do this? I need this done. How you do this?
Oh yeah. So look. They only put in one nail.
Yeah, they did.
So we gonna come right here with it. You gonna do it, right?
You want me to do it?
You want me to teach you?
I don't care. Yeah, come.
I said, okay. This is just a gun for real, for real. But put him on an angle. You feel me? Real fast. Real simple. Right? Then come to the bottom.
You gotta just get it on the post, right?
Yeah, but you see how I got all that wiggle and shit? Look,
Yeah,
see
that's
that?
gonna stop that.
Watch this, real fast. What that shit doing there?
You got nothing for me.
Right.
Oh, you probably gotta wait till you pull that down to do that one.
Yeah, that's why I been taking this shit, man. Yeah. Take this down so I can look.
You could probably do that with it, right? You could do it from the inside, or you gotta do it from the outside.
Do what?
Like if I went on the inside of the gate, I could do it on that side.
What, to shoot it?
On the inside, nah, you gotta do it on the outside, right?
You gotta do it on the
So
outside.
it's probably too late to do that then.
What, over there?
Yeah.
We'll walk over there.
Huh?
I said we can walk over there.
It's gated already.
What that mean? You never hopped the gate?
I mean, huh? You could. Yeah, I guess you
That's
could.
what I was doing before she opened the door.
What door? Oh, the lady did?
Yeah, the lock.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she nice. She be
She probably
chilling.
seen me hopping it. I was like, I got the gate. That's it.
That's funny you said.
Yeah. Let me see this. Almost out of here now too.
And it's only shaking cause this, right? These.
Posts.
Yeah. Oh, they
Because
not
the
that.
post shouldn't move. And since the post shouldn't move,
They
the
shouldn't
fence not
move.
gonna move. Feel me?
Mhm.
So yeah, that post got some give to him. This better than that one.
That one, right?
Yeah, that middle one.
Fuck it, we gonna get it together.
Right.
I just want to show y'all. You mean keep y'all a little update on the
Look,
fence
see
and all that. What?
They should have made that like this.
Oh, that's not moving, right?
Yeah, put
Yeah.
that there.
I see it. I see it. It ain't moving. I know what's going on. I got a lot. Yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned for this, cause this is a lot we about to do.
All right, about to get the dogs back there.
We about to get it right.
Mm-hmm.
We about to get Riz right. So you know, I think it's a nice little, nice yard and shit.
Nice little song.
Yeah. Man, we gotta make them niggas soon. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that too. Feel me? We about to make the dogs soon. She just got off her period, so I ain't even know. I gotta wait till the next period.
Right. Crazy.
I think he said it's supposed to come every 6, so that's probably like around July.
July?
Yeah, when it's warmer. When it's warmer, yeah.
My boy ready. He's trying.
Hi. He funny as hell. Listen, man, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. I'll see y'all tomorrow.